Rest in peace, Achalu, and all our blood that was shed for the struggle. Free Jawar Muhammad, Bakala Girba, and all political prisoners. Free all journalists. Free all American citizens. You kill one of us, you kill all of us. Oromoo, we ain't gonna stop. We ain't gonna rest until our demands are heard. And to the world, stop supporting and funding this inhumane treatment of innocent people. They killed Achalu, and they thought that we would stand down. Another man down. The military's in my land around. They killing kids, running up in people's houses, where our mothers live. Disrespect, we turn that fully to the World Peace Prize. But at home, you a bully, yubby. You wanna be the next king like Menelik. That's like wanting to be Hitler, but they say that's irrelevant. That's like claiming to be Satan, but you saying you heaven sent, Dictator, Mr. Dictator. The world ain't with it. They gon' see it sooner or later. Promoted democracy. But you killing these protesters, and all they did was yell peace. Arrested the opposition, and all they did was speak free. Demolished the competition, and then you called it PP, Prosperity Party. Disconnect the internet so nobody could see. Imagine 2020 Ethiopia, you were supposed to be lead. Preaching peace outside, but inside we bleed. Sweet words don't amount to your hate and greed. To the UN, look into this. This is my plea for the mothers and the fathers who grieve. All my people believe. Freedom, we just want freedom. Let there be elections. We don't need no kingdom. We don't need no king. We need proper legislation. Secure the people's rights for those lives that you're taking. Freedom. We just want freedom. Let there be elections. We don't need no kingdom. We don't need no king. We need proper legislations. Secure the people's rights for those lives that you're taking.
Kill the voice of the people, but the people still standing. Assassinate us all, maybe then they'll see your madness. Turning the violence up ain't gonna silence us. The people had enough. Kill a few of us, but you can never kill all of us. Addressing the nation in military gear, trying to spark fear, want to set us back 1,000 years, but we still here. Battle of Adwa. If not for my people, Ethiopia could have never prevailed it. Even then, your gratitude was filled with oppression and hatred. For decades, Ethiopia has attempted to cleanse us. Let's also remember the Battle of Tiro, where we lost Oromoo to another one of our heroes. Government forces decided to punish the people. Through killings, mass incarcerations, and torture. Sound familiar? Yeah, it's been a never-ending cycle. Denied the right to speak our language in an attempt to erase our culture. Even with facts, they are still in denial. We've been minimized to the lowest degree. All we've ever asked for was freedom and equality. Just to be clear, I am Oromoo. I am not Habasha and I do not speak Amharic. Its history comes with the bloodshed of my people and never will I claim it. You had your chance, you failed miserably. Your mom lied to you, be a king is something you will never be.
Ya ilmani Oromoo, Rabbiin malee waa takka hin sodaatini. Guyyaa bilisummaa keenya dhiyaatee jira. Wal jabeessa, wal barbaada, wal jaaladha. Y'all muddle when the cup ready. Let us hold steady, cause you're a prison for the night. Stories from my 3 cellies. They said I got into a fight. Nafxanyaaa burning up my belly. But that was 1 out of 7 times, if we talking truth. Top down on my people, so I knocked out his 2 facts. Thinking that it's new rap. I don't even rap no more. Reason why I came back, my people going through this war. Military men for regular civilians. It breaks my heart to know the position my people in. But we gon' stand with you, till this whole world recognize. She realized. And that's what they said. But the truth is, through real rhymes left our hero dead. R.I.P. Lencha Oromoo and all our fallen heroes. Freedom. We just want freedom. Let there be elections. We don't need no kingdom. We don't need no king. We need proper legislation. Secure the people's rights for these lives that you're taking. Freedom. We just want freedom. Let there be elections. We don't need no kingdom. We don't need no king. We need proper legislation. Secure the people's rights for those lives that you're taking.
No justice.
No peace.
I don't protest.